Find or read reviews that people are talking about. EEEKit Solar Panel Fans Kit, 10-watt DC 12-volt solar panel powered dual fan with 6.56 feet/2 meter cable. Waterproof outdoor solar exhaust ventilation fan for chicken coops, shed, doghouse, greenhouse. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose EEEKit Solar Panel Fans Kit. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. High efficiency solar panel. You will get 14.17 x 7.09 inch solar panel, 11.8 x 6.3 inch dual fans with 6.56 feet/2 meters cable. The upgraded solar panels are larger than traditional solar panels, have a wider area of exposure to the sun, and wind power is more concentrated, which will operate more efficiently, energy saving. Good for the environment and reduce your cost. Cooling function. The 10-watt DC 12-volt solar exhaust fan can keep the air fresh by pushing the heat air out and push the cool air in. When the sunlight is directly on the solar panel, the speed of the fan can reach 3000 round per minute and 200 cfm large airflow. Note, the solar panel fan only operates under the sun, not in the shade, and has no power storage function. Safety protection. IP67 waterproof rating, preventing rain from short-circuiting or damaging. The dual fans adopts double-side metal protection net design, which can not only prevent animals from being injured, but also protect the normal operation of the fan leaves and increase the service life of the fans. Multiple installation methods. Solar panel fan kit are easy to install, plug and play. You can use screws, zip ties, and carabiner clips to install in 3 ways to meet your various installation needs. Note, screws are not included. Wide application. The solar panel fans kit is suitable for greenhouse, chicken coops, shed, doghouse, window exhaust, barns, cows' heads, tree houses, lofts. Also fit for RV, outdoor camping, yachts and more, which is widely applied for place-required cooling and exhaustion, circulates the air more efficiently, reducing room temperature and keeping the air fresh. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.